Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mutiara Qolbun Izzati. Today I will tell you how to make chocolate cake. Let's watch the video. Let's prepare the ingredients first. Here are 24 grams of flour, 28 grams of cocoa drink powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 40 grams of condensed milk, 3 tablespoons of oil, and then 1 egg, 1/4 of baking soda, 1/4 of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and topping according to taste. Here I use grated cheese and chocolate jam. First, put the eggs and sugars into a bowl. Mix until dissolved. Then, add the dry ingredients. Flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And sieving. Then mix well. Add a little of water. Then add the condensed milk and oil. And then mix well. So pour the mixture into the pan that has been smeared with oil. Stomp so that there are no bubbles in the cake batter. Then steam over the medium heat for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, set aside from the steamer, then give topping according to taste. Chocolate cake is ready to be served.